Good morning, everyone. Today, Lakshay is going to speak on the topic communication barriers. What is communication and introduction? Communication is the activity of conveying meaningful information. It requires a sender, a message, and an intent recipient. A barrier is an obstacle in a place that prevents us from completing certain tasks. Communication barriers can be defined as the aspect or conditions that interfere with effective exchange of ideas or thoughts. Types of barriers: physical barrier, cultural barrier, language barrier, emotional barrier, gender barrier, organizational barrier, perceptual barrier. Physical barrier, it relates to disturbance in immediate situation which can interfere in the course of an effective communication. Some of them are easy to alter, whereas some may prove to be tough obstacles in the process of effective communication. Factors causing physical barriers: first, defects in media, distraction in environment, distance, ignorance in media, physical disability. How to overcome: to be updated with latest technologies, choosing a suitable environment, removing obstacles, self motivation. Cultural barriers, it provides people ways of thinking, ways of hearing and interpreting the world. Similar words can mean different things to people from different cultures even when they talk in the same language. Factor causing cultural barriers: diversified cultural background, language and accent, behavior and nature, religion. How to overcome: cross culture environment, have a through knowledge of your counterpart's cultural background, conduct effective communication workshop, work in groups and run frequent meetings. Language barriers: inability to converse in a language that is known by both sender and receiver is the greatest barrier to effective communication. When a person uses inappropriate words while conversing or writing, it could be led to misunderstanding between sender and receiver. Factor causing language barrier: multi-language region, inadequate vocabulary, interpreting difference. How to overcome: speak slowly and clearly, ask for clarification, frequently check for understanding, be specific, choose your medium of communication effectively, be patient. Emotional barrier: the emotional state may influence your capacity to make yourself understood and hampering your understanding of others. Factors causing emotional barrier: fear, insecurity, mistrust, stress. How to overcome: motivation, commitment to change, mentor support, practice expressing recognition. Gender barriers: relationship, respect, workplace, respect, authority, and education are common ways men and women are pitted against each other. Men and women have different ways of thinking and communication. Factors affecting gender barriers: fear and shy, environment, misunderstanding. How to overcome: the process of bridging the gap in gender communication requires the great deal of patience and understanding only time and attention will teach. Organizational barriers: organizational structure greatly affects the capacity of the employees as far as the communication is concerned. All the internal factors that block the process of communication is known as organizational barriers, such as restrictive environment, communication network, etc. Factor causing organizational barriers: status relationship, one way flow, organization structure, rules and regulation, too many level in organization structure. How to overcome: poor structure to the communication, weak delivery, the use of the wrong medium to deliver the communication, a mixed message, a distracting environment. Perceptual barriers: the most common problem is that people have different opinion. The varied perceptions of every individual give rise to a need for effective communication. Factors causing perceptual barriers: difference in understanding, difference in perception of reality, difference in values, attitudes, and opinions. How to overcome: start by listening to others, clarify if there is any confusion, stay calm, and be positive. At end, I would like to conclude by saying Communication may break down as a result of many communication barriers that may be attributed to sender or receiver. Therefore, effective communication requires familiarity with barriers. Choosing the right channel for communication is also important because choosing the wrong medium undermines the message.